Hello everyone, Cass here, and welcome to the world of KassDays. If you're looking for a variety of videos, such as travel, car, bike, horse events, searching for some ghost towns, and sometimes how to do something, you are in the right place. If you're interested in a bit more in-depth information about some of the places we visit, then you're going to feel right at home here. No making things up, just normal, hopefully informational adventures for you. So, why not join my community? Hit that subscribe button for new videos every week. Long format every Wednesday afternoon, and shorts on Tuesday and Friday, plus a community post all on YouTube. You can also check us out and support us direct on Ko-fi and Patreon as well, for even more detailed info about our activities, adventures, and of course, interact with us. I put a few convenient rotating QR codes in the left corner of this video for your easy and convenient access and sign up to our media accounts. On the left side, you see a few thumbnails that hopefully give you a bit of an idea what you will find at my KassDays YouTube channel. In this short video, I captured a few classic car show highlights. So, thanks for taking your time and tuning into my channel. I'm looking forward to your comments and hope to see you join our community. Until then, let's enjoy this short video and be well, stay safe. Perhaps let me know which one of these cars was your favorite one, and I see you again next week.